So how to install Dingtone app, phone calls and texts. So yeah, I already installed it before. So let's see how it works. So just tap get to install it, and this app you can use to get like a second phone number if you need it in certain occasions, and you can just make free calls and texts via Wi-Fi or cellular data with the Dingtone app. It's also a second phone number app loved by millions. So yeah, if you're bothered by exposing your real personal phone number to people you don't trust in work or in social situation, you can just create, like a second phone number and use it for special occasions. And this way, you can also avoid some robocalls in future and stuff like that. You can just delete that phone number and that's it. And just use your real main personal phone number in real, like rare occasions where you trust people and you don't want to be exposed to robocalls. So yeah, free phone calls, free text messaging, get a free US phone number, call and text any number landline in over 230 countries, cheap international calls, turn your iPad into iPhone, so there is also iPad app. But let's just open it up because a lot of these apps say that they are free. In fact, they are not free. Like either there is a really short free trial to get the second phone number, or you instantly need to upgrade. So yeah, that's basically, and then you just need to log in or create an account, sign up with the phone number or with the email, and then tap your confirmation number, and then you'll be ready to start.